I'm Samhita. I'm a rising junior at Mountain View High School, and this is my modification milestone for the robotic arm. I chose this modification because I really wanted to play around with sensors, and this seemed like a really cool way of utilizing the MIT app and what it comes with. And so my modification is essentially using the movement of an Android phone to control the movement of the arm. And how it works is on the app, there are three switches. Each switch controls a certain aspect of movement on the arm. And when it's enabled, like let's say for the claw, switching it in different directions will help close or open the claw. Or for the base, you can tilt the phone on its y-axis and it can move left and right. And for the joints, you can use the phone to move it up and down. So the way that this works is that for every switch that's turned on or when a button is pressed, a number is returned and sent to the computer. And based on whichever number is returned, it'll use that number to determine which movement is going to be sent back to the arm. So like for the reset button, I can return, let's say the number 7, and the code will tell the arm to reset all the servos to 90 degrees. Or for the claw, if it returns a number 1, it'll tell the claw to open instead of close. So that's how the code works. And there were a lot of challenges to get the code to work. There were challenges with the numbers not being read in the correct way, or signals weren't being sent. There were also problems with the servos themselves, like servos being too weak, or me breaking the servos in the process of troubleshooting the code. And there were also problems with power. The batteries would die out really quickly, or when I would solder the wire for the battery, it was not done well. And because of that, the Bluetooth module would disconnect on and off very frequently. So just troubleshooting these problems allowed it to work super smoothly, and now it works really well. And my next steps are to work on my demo night presentation.